Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The first known open-source printers capable of printing food were probably developed at Cornell University around 2005 under the name of FabLab at Home by Hod Lipson and collaborators. As of 2017, however, there is renewed interest.
Take our lead.
So far, scientists have printed many organoids and microfluidics models of tissues, also known as organs on chips. Researchers have been using 3D printing techniques in hopes of developing tissues that can be transplanted into humans.
Take our lead.
When it comes to the automotive industry, additive manufacturing is a major game changer. 3D printing technology used to be only a prototyping tool, and obviously, it still is. But now it's also starting to be used in car manufacturing. You read it right, we can now build cars using 3D printing.
Let's help you make your mark.
3D food printing offers a range of potential benefits. It can be healthy and good for the environment because it can help to convert alternative ingredients such as proteins from algae, beet leaves, or insects into tasty products.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.